before I show you how this kitchen looks today, I want to take you back to when this space was still under construction in Zimbabwe, because at this stage, it was almost impossible to imagine how it would eventually turn out. What you're seeing is our kitchen, pantry, and laundry room while the house was still under construction. When you walk through a house during construction, it can actually be quite difficult to picture the finished result. The rooms feel empty, lighting hasn't been installed yet, and sometimes the layout doesn't fully make sense. This is why when building or renovating a home, you really have to trust the process. And looking back at this stage now really shows how dramatically a space can transform once all the finishes and details are in place. Now let's take a look at how the kitchen turned out once everything was finished. Now the space feels completely different. For this kitchen, we chose white cabinetry to keep the space bright and timeless, and we paired it with black hardware and black pendant lights over the island to add contrast and a modern touch. One of the standout features is the Kalakata marble waterfall island, where the marble flows down the sides of the island, creating a seamless and elegant focal point. For the island seating, we selected stools that complement the organic modern style of the home, and we carry that same feeling through the rugs to add warmth and texture. One of my biggest tips when designing a kitchen is to keep countertops as minimal as possible. When too many items are left out, the space can quickly feel cluttered. Keeping surfaces simple helps maintain a clean and calm look. In this home, we are fortunate to have a pantry, so most food items and appliances that we don't use often are stored there or inside the cabinets. The only thing we usually keep on the counter is the kettle, since it's something we use frequently. Join me in the next video as I take you through another room in the house. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. If you have any questions about the design or the build, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Sitting on the porch, waiting for the rain, growing out slow and then growing old again. Another day at school, wonder if you knew I was gone, waiting for the rain, sitting on the porch, waiting for the rain. It was easier than walking away, sitting on the porch, waiting for the rain, sitting on the porch, listening to the rain. You said you weren't leaving, but I left anyway. Took a different road, drove out on my own for so long, sitting on the porch,